The Sukhoi Design Bureau has officially spotlighted its new twin-seat variant of the 5th-generation stealth fighter, designated as the Su-57D. Rather than serving as a standard operational trainer, this aircraft is engineered to introduce critical 6th-generation combat capabilities directly to the battlefield. At the heart of this variant's tactical advantage is its revolutionary role as an airborne command post. Traditional single-seat stealth fighters place an immense cognitive and operational burden on the pilot, who must simultaneously manage flight controls, defensive electronic countermeasures, and target acquisition. The introduction of a dedicated second crew member changes everything. While the pilot focuses entirely on flight maneuvers and immediate survival, the second operator functions as a mission commander, running complex network-centric operations. This secondary station is purpose-built to execute manned-unmanned combat teaming. The primary objective is controlling advanced autonomous assets, most notably the S-70 Okhotnik heavy stealth attack drone. Instead of managing just a single loyal wingman, the weapons system officer in the back seat can coordinate entire swarms of AI-enabled drones. These unmanned systems can scout ahead, absorb enemy air defense fire, or deliver heavy ordnance payloads while keeping the primary manned platform safely out of harm's way. Furthermore, the Su-57D acts as a flying laboratory for testing cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Advanced AI integration is vital for processing massive amounts of data from multispectral sensor fusion, allowing the crew to instantly recognize threats and manage target prioritization in contested airspace. By blending 5th-generation stealth performance with 6th-generation drone command architecture, this twin-seat powerhouse redefines what a tactical fighter can achieve as global military powers race toward fully integrated, network-centric battlefields. The arrival of the Su-57D signals that the era of the networked aerial commander has officially arrived. Thank you for watching to the Ultra Defense.